Welcome students. In this video we are going to solve numericals based on law of conservation of mass. Already in our earlier slides I have told you about law of conservation of mass, its definition. Now again I am telling you here, those who have missed it. Law of conservation of mass says that matter can neither be created nor be destroyed. Can neither be created nor be destroyed. It can only be transformed from one form to another. Or in the sense of any chemical reaction, we can say the total mass of reactant must be equal to total mass of product. This is according to our any chemical reaction. Now here we are solving one numerical based on law of conservation of mass. Here the numerical says that what mass of silver nitrate will react with 58.5 gram of sodium chloride to produce 14.35 grams of silver chloride and 8.5 grams of sodium nitrate. Now see beta, whatever is given in the numerical, please just write the given values, so this facilitate us in solving. What is given to us? All these four values are given. In examination we are getting 0.5 marks for writing these given values. So be sure to write whatever is given in the numerical, be sure to write those values in your solution. So here we have written all four things. Ag, silver nitrate is asked, sodium chloride is 58.5 gram, silver chloride is 14.3 gram and sodium nitrate is 8.5 gram. This is given to us, and we all know that formula is what here? Mass of reactant is equal to mass of products. Listen here, also write formula, because for writing formula you always get 0.5 marks. Again, this means if you are writing only given values and the formula, you will be getting 1 mark. So be sure to write given values and formula always in any solution of any numerical. So now mass of reactant. So what is our reaction? Our reaction is silver nitrate plus sodium chloride. Silver nitrate plus sodium chloride, this is our reactant and this is our formula. We are putting that values in this formula. Now what is our product? Product is to produce 14.35 gram of silver chloride and sodium nitrate. So what are products here? Silver chloride and sodium nitrate. Now we will putting the values here from here. Suppose AgNO3 is X. X plus what is NaCl? 58.5 gram. 58.5. What is AgCl? 14.35 plus NaNO3 is 8.5. Now just with simply addition we are doing it here. Now this becomes our 22.85. Now on putting the numbers one side, बिकॉज दिस इज प्लस, दिस विल व्हेन दिस विल गो क्रॉस दिस इक्वल, है ना, ये प्लस जब इक्वल के उस साइड जाएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा, जस्ट नेगेटिव साइन हो जाएगा। तो 22.85 माइनस 50, सॉरी 5.85, it is your 5.85, 5.85. So on subtracting this we will be getting 0, 0, 17. So the value of x is 17 gram. So what is your answer? Your answer is mass of AgNO3 will be 17 grams. See, we have solved. Okay, thank you.